This is an emerging and ambitious enterprise. With a total investment of 180 million RMB, it has more than 500 employees. It has set branches in Japan. Milestones of Qiangsheng Electric Tricycle Factory is located in Qiangsheng Industrial Park, Shanghe County, Hebei Province of Beijing-Tianjin-Tangshan Corridor. There is an exit from the Beijing-Harbin Expressway. The highway to Tangshan passes through the district. The beautiful Chaobai River adds much charm for the enterprise. Crane flying up to the clear sky adds beauty as a verse. In the fierce electric tricycle competition, Qiangsheng stands on the forefront of electric tricycle manufacturing industry and builds its glory with excellent quality and a perfect service. It is committed to establish large modern high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing and sales of top-quality e-tricycle. Mr. Xi Changwan, president of the Qiangsheng, starting from a high level with entrepreneurial courage and resourcefulness. Mr. Wan invested totally 180 million RMB and built a plant covering more than 80,000 square meters. The company introduced more than 500 sets of internationally advanced equipment, including full automatic OTC welding robot, laser cutting machine, electrophoresis varnish baking and spraying assembly line, various hydropresses machine, numerically controlled machine tool, as well as other large and medium modern equipment. Now, it has become one of the largest professional e-tricycle manufacturers at home and abroad. Scientific management is the soul of corporate development. The company has production department, sales department, quality inspection department, supplying department, after-sales service department, and products R&D department, etc. There are laying off workshop, welding workshop, pre-treatment workshop, varnish baking workshop, and assembly workshop under the production department. They established a complete production management system, providing quality guarantee for customers. Product quality is the life of an enterprise. The company always pursues the quality-oriented operation concept. All raw materials apply international products and cannot enter the plant until qualified upon inspection. All types of workers have to undergo strict training and be employed after qualified upon inspection. The products with joint quality guarantee will be strictly tested at each level. The comprehensive electric vehicle detection platform, independently designed and manufactured by the company, boasts a world-leading accuracy and is excellent in the details. It is able to test the vehicle speed, tension, current, motor efficiency, lighting and braking at a time. Besides on top quality, Qiangsheng achieves great success. The e-tricycle of Qiangsheng has a large production capacity and defeats competitors with its leading quality. The company has product R&D center and an excellent scientific research team. Each vehicle of Qiangsheng will be given careful revision by engineers. They have created more than 400 types of distinctive products. These products have many highlights, including good glossiness of varnish baking, high brightness, strong absorption capacity, not easy to get fall off, smooth and fixed welding spots, not easy to get rupture, lower working current, long continuous range, and large loading capacity. They make independent innovation and have over 20 national patent technologies. They are in a stable position in the fierce market competition. Over 10 years since the plant was established, Qiangsheng's products have always been simulated but never transcended. Qiangsheng's e-tricycle has the 3C certification from China Quality Certification Center, EU CE certification, and German TÜV certification. In addition, it was awarded many honors including Central Advertising Brand, China Famous Brand, Trustworthy Product of Consumers and Product designated by CJKRI, China, Japan, Korea, Russia and India, mutual trade union. Qiangsheng have created a brilliant history and are striving for new glory. Qiangsheng electric tricycle is showing its beauty in its prime time.